Welcome back, ice dancers of YouTube. Forwards cross rolls are a common step in ice dances. They can be performed quickly, as in the paso doble, or long and extended, as in the blues. Let's start the skill with some simple stepovers. From a moving start, arms out and held still, we're going to walk and cross our feet neatly with each step. Skating these walks in a straight line, the goal here is to become very comfortable with crossing the legs during weight transfer. It's important to introduce the blade to the ice ready to glide, so walk flat-footed. Next up, we're going to sustain the crossed 2-foot moment. Give yourself a moving start and step into a crossed foot stance. Hold both feet crossed and parallel on the ice. While most of our weight will be in the front foot, the back foot should glide smoothly alongside. Outside edges shape the pathway of our cross rolls. We're going to use a little bit of imagery to help with some directional cues. According to my compass, I'm facing south, with my arms stretching east to west. I start each outside glide skating either east or west, and the curve of the glide brings me around to the opposite side. Head and torso remain facing south. Crossing lemons, or swizzles for our American friends, help us to develop a more fluid crossing action and reduce clunkiness. Make sure that with every pass you're switching from one foot in the lead to the opposite foot in the lead, just as you would do in your cross rolls. We are less likely to click blades if we've practiced this well, so why not make it part of your warm-up routine? Click subscribe and you'll be notified when our freshest videos go live. And in the meantime, here's some more great content from our channel.